Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your display name in Claude AI. This is helpful if your current account name is incorrect, outdated, or simply not the name you want Claude to use during conversations. This is a very quick adjustment, but it's useful if you want your account details to better reflect the name you prefer to use. Claude gives you the option to update both your full name and the name it uses when addressing you, so you can personalize the experience in just a few moments. For example, you might want your full professional name displayed on your account while asking Claude to call you by a shorter first name or nickname. To begin, look to the top left corner of the Claude interface and click the sidebar icon. If your sidebar is already open, you can leave it as it is and move on to the next part. If it's hidden, clicking this icon will reveal the menu so you can access your account options. On smaller screens, you may need to open this menu manually because the sidebar is often collapsed by default. Once the sidebar is open, go down to the bottom left area of the screen and click on your profile. This opens the menu connected to your account, where you'll find the settings you need to edit your personal information. Your profile may appear as your name, initials, or profile picture, depending on how your account is currently set up. From there, click Settings. This will take you to the area where Claude lets you manage your profile details and preferences. Make sure you're editing your personal account settings rather than the options for a specific chat or project. If you've never explored this section before, this is where you can usually adjust account-related options, so it's a good place to remember for future updates as well. You may also find other useful controls here for managing the appearance, language, voice, and general behavior of the Claude interface. In the Settings area, you'll see the fields where you can change your full name and also choose what Claude should call you. These fields may be displayed together in the Profile or Account section, making it easy to update both details at the same time. These two options can be helpful for different reasons. Your full name is typically your account name, while the name Claude calls you can be more casual or personalized, depending on how you want the assistant to address you during conversations. For instance, your account could display Alexander Smith, while Claude simply calls you Alex. Go ahead and update the information in those fields with the name you want to use. Take a moment to double-check your spelling before you finish, especially if you want your display name to appear exactly the way you prefer. Also check capitalization and spacing, so the name looks correct wherever it appears in the interface. Once you've made the changes, there's nothing else you need to do. You can simply close the settings window because the changes save immediately. That means you don't need to look for a separate save button or confirm the update manually. After closing the menu, you can open a new conversation to check whether Claude is now using your preferred name. And that's it. You've successfully changed your display name in Claude AI. As you can see, the process is simple and only takes a few clicks. This small adjustment can make your account feel more personal and help Claude address you in a way that feels more natural. If you found this helpful, you can use the same general area in settings later whenever you want to update your name again. This is useful if your preferred name changes, you want to switch between a professional and casual name, or you need to correct a mistake.